So this is a gorgeous house. It's located in Oyster Bay. It's a $1.3 million home. Gorgeous. I mean, it is so magnificent. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, full basement, high ceilings, custom made windows. I'll give you a tour. I have my booties on so we don't scratch the custom made floors. It's a brand new build. This is the living room, main living room, dining set, and kitchen. Beautiful, it's custom made cabinets, stainless steels, top of the line appliances, double doors going outside, French doors. This is the bathroom, one of the full baths. It has a stand-up shower and just this. The design is so beautiful. And here we have, let's go to the second floor. Central AC. Look at these stairs. So modern. It's really, really beautiful. The paint is, it's not even paint, it's wallpaper. Nice. And the chandeliers, look how nice. This is one of the bedrooms. So much light. Look at that. Look at this closet for one of the bedrooms. Hello. Okay, and this is the other bedroom. Now each one has their unit, so if you don't want to put the AC on for the whole house, you can monitor your own temperature. Also double doors. I'm not going to open in case the owner doesn't want that. So here we go. Da-da-da-da. Love the doors. Look at that. Thick, heavy doors. All in the details. And this is the other bathroom. Beautiful. Look at this sink. Just the way he designed it and built it. Look at these floors. Oh my goodness. Just, and then there's no hand. Literally you go like this, open. Beautiful. And this is the other bedroom. Again, with their own unit. Double door closet. And let's go to, there's another closet here too. And let's go to the master bedroom, my favorite room. Big, big ceilings. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's take you to the master bath. Beautiful. Look at that. Just gorgeous. I could see the Texan little horns. There's double head showers for him and her. It's just the, oh my goodness, the way it's built, it's very modern. I love it. Like you feel like you're in a city. This is the walk-in closet, so it's pretty big, double doors, sliding doors. I know, the closet is like humongous. And now, let's go to the attic. The attic is really, really nice too. Beautiful hardwood floors. Oh, beautiful.